First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Welcome back to the Xplore Mindz podcast. I'm Rohan Aru. In our premiere, we discussed the external distractions of the digital world. Today, we go internal. We are looking at a quiet crisis unfolding in classrooms and bedrooms everywhere. The anxiety epidemic. We live in an era of the performative childhood. It's no longer enough to be a good student. Many of our children feel there must be a perfect one in academics, in extracurriculars, and in their digital persona. Today we are unpacking the transition from healthy ambition to toxic perfectionism and how it leads directly to burnout. There is a vital distinction we must make as parents: the difference between the pursuit of excellence and the pursuit of perfection. Excellence is internally driven, it's the joy of mastery and improvement. Perfection, however, is externally driven. When a student believes that a single B grade or missed opportunity is a catastrophic failure of their identity, they are not striving for success. They are running away from shame. This constant defensive living is what fuels the anxiety epidemic. We must help our children decouple their self-worth from their achievements. We often think of burnout as a corporate problem, but we are seeing it in students as young as middle school. Student burnout manifests as a stranger paradox. It looks like a laziness or lack of motivation, but it's actually the brain's emergency shut-off valve. When the pressure to perform becomes unsustainable, the mind simply stops engaging. If your high achiever suddenly becomes withdrawn, irritable, or checked out, they might not be losing their drive. They might be out of fuel. Understanding that burnout is a psychological response to prolonged stress is the first step toward recovery. So, how do we intervene? We must shift our focus from outcomes to effort. As strategic parents, we need to actively normalize failure. Talk about your own setbacks. Show them that the messy middle of learning is where growth actually happens. Create a home environment that is a psychological safe zone. This means that even if the grade is poor or the game is lost, their standing in the family and your pride in them remains unchanged. When a child knows they have a safe place to land, they are actually more likely to take the healthy risks that lead to true success. Our children are more than their resume. By lowering the pressure for perfection, we actually raise the ceiling for their long-term potential and mental health. Thank you for joining me for episode 2. Next week, we tackle a vital and sensitive topic: navigating identity, gender, cultural, and social inclusion in schools. I'm Rohan Aru, and I look forward to exploring the minds with you again soon. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.